Hey, hello everyone, and welcome you all on the Learn and Global Bass Clubbing platform. As you already know that here you get latest tech updates and tech news. So today the update is Amazon's indoor camera drone is ready to fly around your house. So let's know about this update. This very beautiful update. You should know about this. Don't skip this video and listen very carefully. Amazon unloaded an entire delivery trucks worth of products at a private event today. Here are some of the many smart home products that were announced. Look out, Nest. Amazon is stepping on Google's turf and its old thermostat partner Ecobee with the Amazon Smart Thermostat. Nest thermostat are a circle, so this thing is a square with the usual touch control on the front and an app, the Alexa app, for remote control and usage tracking. The thermostat hunches will let Alexa control the thermostat based on your location. And of course, there are Alexa voice commands. Amazon partnered with Honeywell Sneofoff company Resideo to develop thermostat and says the device is made with Honeywell home thermostat technology. Okay, between Amazon's EcoSmarts and Honeywell's thermostat experience, there is a plenty of expertise here. The device is $59.99 and for $69 more you can get a bundle with C-wire power adapter which you might need if your existing thermostat wiring is not putting out enough power. That is dramatically cheaper than Nest, whose cheapest thermostat is $129.99. Okay, Amazon is also undercutting its biggest thermostat partner Ecobee, which ships a thermostat with an entire Alexa speaker and microphone integrated into it. The $229.99 Ecobee 4. This is just a thermostat, but now wow, is it cheap? So let's listen about some cameras, including that drone indoor cameras. Okay, and cameras. Amazon crazy indoor flying drone camera, the ambiguously named Ring Always Home Cam, is actually for sale now. Is in the US. This was announced a full year ago, but now it's available exclusively by invitation for $249.99. This is a day first edition, ready a beta product, so Amazon is not letting just anyone buy it. So you can request an invitation to give Amazon money on the product page. Okay, like every other Ring camera, you can across the camera feed remotely via the Ring app. Okay, you can think about only by the app you can control everything remotely by the app. Oh wow, it's going to amazing. You will get a 1440 multiply 1440 video feed that you can zoom into. You can train the drone with custom flight paths by just holding it up in the air and working it throughout the house. There will probably be manual remote controls too, but I get the feeling they will be very limited. It does not sound like much is going on in the navigation stack. Amazon notes that if Always Home Cam encounters an unexpected obstacle, it will pause and return to the charging dock. The drone is also limited to a single story of the house. If you have multiple stories, Amazon recommends multiple drones. Okay, the drone lives in a little dock when it's not running, and Amazon says it will only record video when it's flying. The dock also covers the camera, so it could not record. Okay, much while it's not flying, even if it wanted to. It has a flight time of 5 minutes before it has to recharge, and it should auto dock itself when you are drawn with it. This is a quadcopter, so like every other quadcopter, it will be slightly quieter than a flying chainsaw, but not by much. The announcement video did not include a sound recording of the drone, but on Amazon's product page there is a video that hints at how much sound this thing will make. Ring president Leia Rohi explained to the BBC last year that in the quadcopter is built to be loud, so it's really privacy that you can hear. If you have any pets, Amazon admits they may need time to adjust to the noise and motion of always home cam. If your dog is still scared of the vacuum cleaner, imagine if that vacuum cleaner magically came to life when you were not home and started flying around the room. In other camera news, there is also a doorbell, the Blink doorbell. For $49.99, this doorbell camera does 30 fps, 1080p video with IR night vision and two-way audio. It runs on 2.5 gigahertz. Okay, and if you don't want to power it with a doorbell wire, it can take 2 AA batteries like all the other Blink cameras. This is meant to be simple, cheap and compatible with the Amazon Alexa ecosystem. There are some local storage capabilities via the Blink Sync module too, or you can pay a monthly fee for cloud storage. There are also two accessories for the Blink outdoor camera at $39.99 floodlight mount. It adds a motion sensor and two LEDs. They add 700 lumens of power and motion activated recording. There is also a $129.98 solar panel mount for the Blink outdoor cameras, freeing you from having to rely on the usual AAS. The solar mount has a single pre-installed 18650 battery. Whether or not the battery is user replaceable is unclear, and how long of a runtime that battery gives you is actually vague. One more product before we go, the Ring Alarm Pro. This is a follow-up to the Ring Alarm home security system from last year. The main difference is that the Alarm Pro combines two of Amazon's acquisitions, a Ring Alarm system and an Aero Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. This will wirelessly wire up your home with internet and protect it all in one big box. The starter kit is $299.99 and gets you 8 items: one Alarm Pro base station, one keypad, 4 contact sensors, one motion detector and one alarm range extender. The base station seems to be the only different item from last year, with the Aero Wi-Fi 6 router functionality as the only new addition. It's fully compatible with the Aero mesh system, so just add another mesh point if you need one. The other widgets still use Z-Wave for low power connectivity. If you have last year version for the Ring Alarm and want to upgrade to the Wi-Fi version, that will cost $249 for just the base station. The new Alarm Pro comes out November 3. So this was the main update which I had to give you, and I hope that you are feeling better after listening this, and you want to be up to date, then you can listen more about this. Thanks for coming here. You can subscribe this channel.